Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day number 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas to share with all of you. Here is what this looks like. All right, and this one's pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what's in this one. Let's see here. Okay. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. All right. So let's see, this is a quilt pattern for 10-inch squares, Winter Stardust. It's a 72-inch by 72-inch quilt. This is stunning. And you know what's really awesome is for Black Friday, I bought so many different colors of Moda Bella solids because one, they were on discount at Fat Quarter Shop, and two, I had no idea what they look like in person, so I just bought a whole bunch of colors that I liked, thinking, all right, well, we'll see what these look like. So this is perfect for me because I have so much extra from another project that I'm working on that those fabrics were actually for. Sorry, long explanation. This is awesome though. Oh my gosh. So here are the requirements for this. This is so beautiful. I will definitely be making this. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And now I'm just thinking, like, what quilting pattern will I use? What quilting design on something like this? It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry. Enough of that. We get the puzzle version. That is so awesome. So not only do we get the pattern that we can make the beautiful quilt for ourselves, but we also get the color, oh my gosh, the puzzle. How beautiful and awesome is this? And I have no idea why I've never seen this before, but there's literally numbers on the back of the puzzle pieces. That is so funny. So maybe if you can't figure it out, you can just look at the number and put it where it goes. I don't know. But this is, God, I love this so much. And look at this sturdy bag that it's in. This is really nice. And it has a little quilt block here from the pattern, I'm sure. This is awesome. I'm so excited about today's gift. And I mean, if you guys know me, you know that I love color as well. I mean, look what I'm wearing, you know. But anyway, the colors are just absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited for this gift. I would love to know what you guys think down below. This is like perfect puzzle season, right? It just snowed. All right, so we've got snow going on, but it's like, you know, the cold and kind of like dreary days. There's really not much to do outside. These are what I live for, puzzles. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day number 19. Bye, everybody.